Remember in the fall when we made all that delicious apple butter? Today we're making a spiced apple butter cake with a streusel top. This recipe is an adaptation from a spiced pumpkin recipe I've had in my cookbook for quite some time. It also incorporates the maple sugar from the sap I harvested in the spring and homemade vanilla. Let's start by making the streusel top. In a bowl, you're going to add 3/4 cup of almond flour, 1/3 cup of maple sugar that we made back in the spring, a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup of softened ghee, and a full cup of chopped pecans or walnuts. Your choice. With the streusel chilling in the fridge, now it's time to make our batter. In a bowl, you're going to add 3 eggs, a full cup of the apple butter we made back in the fall. You're going to take an apple from your refrigerator, peel it, and grate it into the mixture. Stir that all up, and to that we'll add the dry. Add 2 cups of almond flour, 1/3 cup of arrowroot or tapioca flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and stir again until it's fully combined. Pour this mixture into a prepared baking dish, grab your chilled streusel from the refrigerator, and sprinkle it on top. Bake in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. All that's left to do now is enjoy your handiwork.